Hi guys, okay, so today's hack is actually to do with stamping and it's just a little tip for how you keep your piece flat on the block without it moving around whilst you're trying to stamp. So all you need is some masking tape. Now it's not 100% foolproof. It might move eventually, especially if you're hammering it quite a lot, but especially if you were just putting, say for example, some initials on a piece or something like that, then this is a really great top tip. Okay, so all you have to do is tear off a little piece of masking tape and use it to secure your blank or whatever it is that you're stamping. You can actually put the masking tape all the way across because the stamps will easily go through it, but I don't need to do it in this particular case. So I'm just going to show you really simply. So I've got my letter here. I've checked which way up it's meant to go, and I'm just going to give it a little stamp. Okay, so you can actually put the masking tape completely over your piece if you want to do it like that, and then hammer onto it. Obviously, the masking tape will get stuck to your piece, and one really simple way of getting it off if you need to is just to burn it off with your hand torch. Hope that helps you, and a big thank you to those of you who follow me on my Cyrilyn Silver account. I love it actually. I feel like I've got this whole new community of other jewelers and we can support one another, and it's just really lovely. So thank you so much and big love to you all.